guys, I'm Simmy and today I'm going to show you how you can apply liquid matte lipsticks this winter. Exfoliating your lips is very important and it should not be ignored, as our lips tend to get very dry and flaky during the winters. So take a small amount and massage it on your lips in circular motions. So here I'm using this mild formula which is 100% sulfate free and it contains natural ingredients that is good for exfoliation. Tip number 2, prep your lips. To make your matte lipstick look fresh when you apply it, it's important that you prep your lips with a lip balm. So apply your layer of lip balm, and here I'm using this Lakme Lip Love Lip Care. Let it set in for a while to seal in the moisture and protect the area. Tip number 3, conceal your lips. Concealer will make your lip color pop and it will also make your lipstick last much longer. So I'm going to be dabbing a little bit of concealer on my lips. This step is completely optional, but it will really level up your lipstick game. However, if you have pigmented lips, I would suggest that you do not skip out on this step. Tip number 4, lining your lips is not necessary. While it may seem necessary to have a lip liner to match each of your lipsticks, it's definitely not essential if you're putting on a liquid lipstick. I generally use the tip of the applicator to shape the lips and that works well for me. And now for the grand finale. Choose your favorite color according to the occasion. So if you're going out in the day or on a date, I would recommend that you wear coral or nude shades. If you're going out for a party or a wedding, then plums, reds and maroons look great. And if you're just stepping out with your friends, then shades of pinks or nude will steal the show. I love these lipsticks as they have an intense bold color payoff, long wear and they're transfer proof, which is great because then I don't have to fix my lipstick all the time. For the final touch, just apply a little bit of highlighter on your Cupid's bow and you're ready to rock that matte lip look. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also do not forget to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and let me know in the comment section below if you have any further questions. And with that, signing off for now. I will see you in my next video. Bye.